Hello Nev's fam, this is Neve from Nev's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how I made vegetable pulao, and this is the same pulao which I made on the puja day. If you have not watched that video, I will put the link in the description box. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. I have soaked some basmati rice. Take according to the quantity you want. I have chopped one big onion. This is coriander leaves, and I have also taken mint leaves, and this is few mint, maybe like a half a bowl. And for the vegetable, I have taken cauliflower, carrot and peas. You can also add beans and potato. I had made the potato curry, so I did not add potato. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and when it gets heated, I'm going to add about teaspoon and a half of cumin seeds. I'm going to make for 10 to 15 people. You can adjust according to the quantity. Now I'm adding the long cut onions and 3 green chilies also I added. I did not cut it, I just did like a slit. So I am going to cook this onion for about until actually it gets little brown. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger, and right now I'm adding ginger, and then also I'm going to add garlic. So this is about a teaspoon and a half of garlic. So just mix everything and let it cook for maybe a minute or so the ginger garlic gets cooked and there is no garlic smell. And now I'm going to add all the vegetables and mix all the vegetables with all the onion and everything together. So now I'm going to add this mint leaves, like I told you, about half a bowl, and please adjust the quantity because I'm making for 12 to 15 people, so you can just add a little bit if you are less people, say if you're 4 to 6 people in the house. And now I'm going to add the coriander leaves. Yes, I'm going to add the coriander leaves at the time of cooking. It really looks nice and gives a nice flavor, and then mix everything. So now I'm going to add salt to taste, and I'm going to cook in rice cooker. So I will transfer everything in rice cooker. You will see in a little bit. So now I'm adding red chili powder. I don't add turmeric in this pulao. So I'm adding red chili powder. Add according to your taste. I just made medium, so I added this much. So now I'm going to add garam masala. I have not used any whole garam masalas, so I'm adding the ground garam masala, and this garam masala is made at home. You can also use biryani masala if you have at home. Otherwise you can use the normal garam masala, and it will be better if it is homemade because it has a better smell. So now I've put all the rice, and the rice I had shown you, it was soaked, and I washed 2-3 times before I soaked it. So I removed all the water and I put rice here in this pan, and I'm mixing everything really well. So now I'm going to transfer all this to my rice cooker, and this is my rice cooker. But if you're cooking in normal pan or in whatever, you can do the same thing. Just add double the water. Say for example, if you have 1 bowl of rice, just add 2 bowls of water. So whatever quantity you have, double the water. Mix everything and check for any salt or So if you're not cooking in rice cooker, then when the water starts boiling, then you can put the gas to low medium and just cover it and let it cook, and in between you can stir it and it will be ready soon. So the vegetable pulao is ready to eat. You can eat with raita, which is yogurt base, and please don't forget to subscribe, watch my both the videos, and please follow me on all my social media. And I would like to say bye, see you in my next video.